Where did we get the Chinese phrase 老太太打喷嚏一个接一个? Hello there, I'm Dr. Eller Pops from Los Alamos, New Mexico. If you'd like to know more about prebiotics, probiotics, and allergies, hit that follow button. Thank you. That Chinese proverb describes things happening one after another. It used the sneeze of old lady as its typical example. So, old lady sneeze one after another. So why is that? The common reason for people to sneeze including cold, flu, and allergies. So we know elderly people are vulnerable to airway infections. And according to Pop's theory, elderly people tend to have more allergies as well. We know the root cause of allergies is lack of good bacteria in the mouth. Oral probiotics live in the gap between the teeth and gum. So there are two reasons for the elderly people to lose their probiotics in the mouth. One, of course, is the infection. They have it more often than other people. Especially the fever will suppress the good bacteria in the mouth. And the next one is they tend to lose their teeth. When they do that, the probiotics will lose their place to live. And that's why elderly people tend to have less probiotics in their mouths. When that happens, the allergy will come. So you add the infection and allergy together. That's why people have observed a long time ago, elderly people tend to sneeze more often. That's where they got this phrase, old lady sneeze one after another. 老太太打喷嚏